ICAO Annexes. Welcome. In this video, we will explore ICAO Annex 14 Aerodromes. We will first present the introduction. Then we will cover its importance and history. Next, we will discover the 2 volumes of Annex 14. After that, we will discuss associated documents for deeper understanding. Next, we will cover implementation and keeping up to date. Finally, we will conclude with a brief summary. Let's start with the introduction. Aviation professionals, this video provides you with the knowledge of ICAO Annex 14, the foundation for safe and efficient aerodrome operations worldwide. Annex 14 establishes international standards and recommended practices, SARPs, for aerodromes, including airports and heliports. It guides authorities, operators, and personnel, ensuring consistency and safety across the globe. Let's continue with the importance and history. First published in 1951, Annex 14 has continuously evolved alongside aviation advancements. The latest edition, the 9th edition published in July 2022, reflects the current best practices for aerodrome design and operation. ICAO Annex 14 plays a vital role in passenger and crew safety, property protection, seamless global air travel. Next, let's discover the 2 volumes of Annex 14. Annex 14 comprises 2 volumes, each addressing specific aspects of aerodromes. Volume 1, Aerodromes Design and Operations. This volume details specifications for runway and taxiway design, obstacle limitation surfaces, apron and terminal design, visual aids and lighting, navigation and communication facilities, emergency services and equipment. Volume 2, Heliports. This volume focuses on heliports, establishing SARPs for heliport siting and layout, helicopter performance requirements, heliport markings and lighting, heliport rescue and firefighting services. Next, let's discuss associated documents for deeper understanding. Complementing Annex 14 are a series of comprehensive documents offering in-depth guidance on specific aerodrome operations. Let's see the 8 doc linked to Airport Services Manual, ASM. 1. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 1, Rescue and Firefighting. 2. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 2, Pavement Surface Conditions. 3. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 3, Wildlife Control and Reduction. 4. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 5, Removal of Disabled Aircraft. 5. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 6, Control of Obstacles. 6. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 7, Airport Emergency Planning. 7. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 8, Airport Operational Services. 8. ICAO Doc 9137, ASM Part 9, Airport Maintenance Practices. Let's see the 6 doc linked to Aerodrome Design Manual, ADM. 1. ICAO Doc 9157, ADM Part 1, Runways. 2. ICAO Doc 9157, ADM Part 2, Taxiways, Aprons, and Holding Bays. 3. ICAO Doc 9157, ADM Part 3, Pavements. 4. ICAO Doc 9157, ADM Part 4, Visual Aids. 5. ICAO Doc 9157, ADM Part 5, Electrical Systems. 6. ICAO Doc 9157, ADM Part 6, Frangibility. Let's see the 7 doc linked to Airport Planning Manual, APM. 1. ICAO Doc 9184, APM Part 1, Master Planning. 2. ICAO Doc 9184, APM Part 2, Land Use and Environmental Management. 3. ICAO Doc 9184, APM Part 3, Guidelines for Consultant Construction Services. 4. Certification of Aerodromes, COFA. 5. ICAO Doc 9734, Safety Oversight Manual Part A. 6. ICAO Doc 9774, Manual on Certification of Aerodromes. 7. ICAO Doc 9859, Safety Management Manual, SMM. Let's see the 4 doc linked to Procedures for Air Navigation Services, PANS. 1. ICAO Doc 4444, Air Traffic Management, PANS ATM. 2. ICAO Doc 8168, Aircraft Operations, PANS OPS. 3. ICAO Doc 9981, Aerodromes, PANS ADR. 4. ICAO Doc 10066, Aeronautical Information Management, PANS AIM. There are also 2 circulars, CR. 1. ICAO Circular 315 Hazards at Aircraft Accident Sites. 2. ICAO Circular 355 Assessment, Measurement, and Reporting of Runway Surface Conditions. Below 12. Other manuals. 1. ICAO Doc 9150, Stall Port Manual. 2. ICAO Doc 9261, Heliport Manual. 3. ICAO Doc 9426, Air Traffic Services Planning Manual. 4. ICAO Doc 9476, Manual of Surface Movement Guidance and Control Systems, SMGSS. 5. ICAO Doc 9640, Manual of Aircraft Ground De-icing/Anti-icing Operations. 6. ICAO Doc 9643, Manual on Simultaneous Operations on Parallel or Near Parallel Instrument Runways, SOER. 7. ICAO Doc 9683, Human Factors Training Manual. 8. ICAO Doc 9829, Guidance on the Balanced Approach to Aircraft Noise Management. 9. ICAO Doc 9830, Advanced Surface Movement Guidance and Control Systems, ASMGCS Manual. 10. ICAO Doc 9870, Manual on the Prevention of Runway Incursions. 11. ICAO Doc 9977, Manual on Civil Aviation Jet Fuel Supply. 12. ICAO Doc 10121, Manual on Ground Handling. Next, let's cover implementation and keeping up to date. Effective implementation of Annex 14 is crucial. States contracting with ICAO are responsible for implementing the SARPs within their territories. Regular updates to Annex 14 ensure its continued relevance. Aerodrome operators should establish processes to monitor and implement these updates promptly. Let's finish with the conclusion. By understanding and adhering to ICAO Annex 14, we collectively contribute to a safer and more efficient global air transport system. This comprehensive guide ensures the smooth flow of passengers and goods across the world,